If you want to add a logo in Hostinger email, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple way. Whether you're setting up a professional signature for your business, personal brand, or client communication, adding a logo can make your emails look much more polished and trustworthy. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Hostinger account. Once you're inside, open Webmail. This is where you'll manage your email settings and customize your email signature. If you're already signed in, just look for the Webmail option and click it to continue. Now that Webmail is open, look for the settings icon. It usually appears as a gear symbol, so click on settings to open the configuration panel. After that, choose all settings. This will take you to the full list of email options where you can make more detailed changes. Next, select the email account you want to edit. This is important if you manage more than one mailbox because you want the logo added to the correct email signature. Once you've selected the right email, look for the signature box. This is the area where your email signature text and branding will be placed. Inside the signature box, you'll see an option to insert an image. Click Insert Image to begin adding your logo. At this point, Hostinger will usually give you a couple of ways to add the image. You can either upload the logo directly from your device or paste an image URL if your logo is already hosted online. If your logo is saved on your computer, upload it from your files. If you're using a direct link, paste the image URL into the provided field. Once the logo appears in the signature area, check the size and placement so it looks clean and professional. You may want it centered under your name or placed beside your contact details depending on your style. A good logo should be clear, visible, and not too large, so your email still looks neat and easy to read. After you're happy with the result, click Save. This step is important because it applies the changes to your email signature. Once saved, your new logo will be part of your Hostinger email signature and will appear when you send future messages. To make sure everything works correctly, go back and send yourself a test email. That way, you can confirm the logo is showing properly and the signature looks the way you want it to. If the image doesn't appear right away, double check the upload or image link, then make sure you save the settings properly. And that's it. You've now added a logo in Hostinger email. It's a quick change, but it makes a big difference in how professional your emails look. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.